Hi, today for the VIVO X90 Pro, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the fingerprint works here fast and correct, and we just successfully unlocked the device just less than in 1 second. This is the good result for the face unlock, but with a simple touch you have no chance to do that. You should just hold it for a second, and after that you just will successfully unlock your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.